guys, in 4.5 years I needed to charge this battery. So to remove the battery, rather than putting other wires, electrical wires, I have used the zip ties, which I really love because they always come handy. So as you can see, I have tied the zip ties, and what I'll do is I'll just neatly, comfortably remove this battery from this. Now this battery will go for charging.
चार्जिंग हो गया तो 1 पॉइंट ज़्यादा है, 13 पे गया ना.
ओके,
अभी लोड डाला 11, 11:30.
Guys, my battery is back after charging. As I told you earlier, the charging ampere has to be 1.2 and the range of charging hours can be 5 to 10. Mind me, the common battery guys do not have a smaller output charger, so please be aware before you send your battery for charging. You need to note this 1.2 ampere into 5 to 10 hours. Now since I have already made this zip ties as a handle kind of thing, I have not removed it, and it was easier for the charger also to clamp it and charge the battery. Now I will use this handle to put the battery back into the battery compartment. Let us see. Here is the compartment, and now I'm just gliding my battery holding this hook, and you see it just glides. Now I will cut this zip ties. Then first I will put on the negative, and then after that I will put positive, and then I'm good to go. Once again, these zip ties came handy. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.